Bor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Please give a round of applause.
Ka Icfai University, Meghalaya Shillong campus. Ka arab kundai tu ujah yong arhajar apun riu. Kelapen ku Burom ki Samla Pule. Ki bla Pyndep ki Jingpule. Haki kerdan beper. Haki jingalang ka blalong hau susut ha auditorium. Haka arab kundai tu ujah yong arhajar apun riu. Lapin shongkun ni ka jingpen ku Burom de ki jingruai. Ki jingshat. Bar ki jingpen bernya. Ni ki Samla jong ka ni ka skol ba. Rengkat ke jing sakhilang kinuhikai ki Samla Pule kin thopru ko vice chancellor ka Dr. A Gatpho bar ki blasha khat ngau bha hagar ke jing ko Burom uchal chak ti marak ula job ya khusnam student of the year
award 2026 in recognition of his outstanding contribution towards fostering the Icfaian spirit. His dedication, sincerity and perseverance are highly admired. His friendliness, helpful attitude and fellow feelings are endearing qualities. The enthusiasm and zeal with which he works is praiseworthy. He takes with him all our good wishes and blessings galore. The university wishes him Godspeed in all his endeavors. So, the winner of this very prestigious award is, I don't hear the name, Mr. Chelchakdi Marak of the MA Education Department.
Here, I am also reminded of a comment or of a general feeling that the students have that I am actually very, very intimidating. And they try and avoid interacting with me, or they try and avoid going into my room. They're scared out of their wits. Maybe my glasses add to it. They add to my intimidating looks. But yes, as I stand here today before you all, addressing you all for the one last time, because now, as I had said, you are like little birds that are about to fly, to flutter your wings and to fly and take the world by storm. You have grown, you have learned, and you have become what you are. We have traveled together during your journey with Icfai. It has not only been your journey, but it has also been our journey. The journey of us, teachers, and the management along with you all. We grew, we learned, and personally, I have learned from you all. Whenever I have had the opportunity to teach, I have always told children, please tell me when I am wrong. And I have often told the children that when I am wrong, especially when I am talking about your community or about your culture or your religion, since I don't belong to your community, I may make mistakes. And it is for you to correct me. And I have done that with a purpose to learn. I have always looked forward to learning from you all. It is not, learning, as I said, is not a one-sided process. It is always a two-sided process. You learn, we learn. So together we learn, together we gain experience.
University will honor 3 of our own students who have dared to step beyond the classrooms and onto bigger stages. This is a Hall of Fame, or rather, crown and honor, because excellence deserves to be celebrated wherever it shines. Today we celebrate 3 of our own, as I stated, who have made their mark on the national platforms as well as the state level platforms, proving that talent, confidence and heritage can take you to a lot of places. Please join us for the achievement felicitation ceremony. First, please welcome student who embodies grace and poise with her confidence and charm. She clinched the coveted title of Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024, a true inspiration for every young girl dreaming. She is the reigning Miss Teen Meghalaya, a top 16 finalist at Miss Teen Diva 2025, and the national winner of Miss Popular. She has a total of 10 crowns to her name. She is a certified makeup artist, a designer, professional pageant groomer, and choreographer, and also the founder of Tiara Stripe, a platform dedicated to mentoring and empowering aspiring queens. She also runs FMD Rental Collection and FMD Beauty Bliss, offering styling and beauty services to young talents. Currently, she is grooming for the Miss Teen Meghalaya 2026. Can we have you on stage, Miss Fortunate Mika Dakar of the BVA department. All right, here we go. Can we give a big round of applause, please, for Fortunate? I would like to request on stage Madam Vice Chancellor and Madam Registrar to kindly come and felicitate these pageant winners. Okay, please, a round of applause. All right. Okay, so we are down one, and we'll go for the next. That is the 2025. We have next, whom we will honor. We honor the spirit of our state, okay? The Cherry Blossom Festival celebrates the beauty of Meghalaya, and representing that spirit at the state level, we have our own Miss Cherry Blossom Meghalaya 2025. She won actually, Miss Fresh Face Shillong 2025. She's currently serving as your Vice President of the Student Body Council. She's also a voice actor and has dubbed for a Vietnamese movie named A Fragile Flower, both in Hindi and in English. She is also a theater actor and a singer. You can find her on YouTube. She has her own video. She's collaborated on the song Shim Yanga alongside rapper Frenzy. May we have on stage Miss Lapinchai Esmara, Miss Cherry Blossom 2025. All right, now can we have you on stage, please? We'll felicitate Lapinchai. From the heart of Meghalaya, rising with an unstoppable grace and determination, I present to you Rana Singh's Eve, a 26-year-old person of talent, tradition and triumph, the name that resonates across platforms of prestige. He rose to prominence as the first runner-up of Nai Katsao at Nathamay Festival 2022 and claims victory as Na'u Katsao Sinya 2022, organized by the Khasi Students Union Shillong Circle. His journey didn't stop there. He conquered the runway with style and confidence, earning the title of Mr. Model 2024 at the Mega International Northeast Fashion Supermodel, followed by the prestigious crown of Mr. International Northeast 2025. His achievements are further adorned with honors such as Best Traditional Male Model 2023 at the Northeast International Fashion Week and Best Male Model 2025, recognizing not just his presence, but his powerful impact. And today, he stands at the pinnacle of glory as the proud title holder of the national level Mr. Heritage King India 2026. Round of applause, please. The true ambassador of culture, identity, and excellence, carrying the legacy of our heritage with pride, a symbol of heritage, confidence, and inspiration, a distinguished personality whose journey is defined by excellence and dedication. He stands today as a proud ambassador of India's rich cultural legacy, representing not just fashion and confidence, but the very soul of tradition and unity. Please put your hands together for an alumnus who has made us proud, Mr. Rana Singh Kiriye. Alright, Mom, can you have your stage? Set the bar benchmark up here. You need to rise up. Now, can you try and approximate any yard or stage together? Please we'll take the group over. Icfai University is proud to call them our own. Congratulations, all three of you. A huge round of applause, please. Thank you so very much. Ladies and gentlemen, a final salute and a round of applause for your council office bearers. A huge thank you from my side also. It was an honor and a privilege to have been working with each one of you. Despite a lot of obstacles also that we faced, we have fought through together alongside each other. So I'd like to firstly call Mr. Samla, the President of the Student Body Council. Ms. Lapinshai S. Marak, your Vice President. Then we have Mr. Richbert Wanwar, your General Secretary. Mr. Bakar Pangnongkar, Assistant General Secretary. Okay, Mr. Stephen Clifford Lingdon, the Finance Secretary. Mr. Abel Jamatia, Assistant Finance Secretary. Ms. Kintiu Biang Lamurong, wait, there too. Okay, the literary secretary now. Ms. Wankanti Bopang, second term of being Assistant Events Secretary. Mr. Meva Mukim, sorry, I called the assistant first and then calling the event secretary later. Okay. Mr. Abedin Rigier Thankil, your publicity secretary. Mr. Clarence Darrell Karwanlang, part of the Security and Discipline Secretary. Mr. Rakdan N. Marak, Security and Discipline Secretary. And Mr. Sentre Da Mehi Litan, Security and Discipline Secretary. And we also would like to honor Mr. Jeffrey, although he's not here, Mr. Jeffrey Lindo. He's already in posting at the moment. What is he? MLP Junior. Yes, so he's under training at the moment and he cannot join us. So anyways, Jeffrey, this is us saying thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Okay, a round of applause.
So despite 4 hours, I can hear a lot of laughter, applauding, and also, though some may say that Master of Ceremony said you must be boring, but listening to the screaming and shouting, it doesn't seem to be a boring for us, isn't it? Yes or no? Was it boring or was it entertaining? Yes. We had some good times, as well as, of course, waiting patiently when the mementos were distributed. Mementos distribution, I know it was a little bit for you all to wait, but that is a must. Anyway, I stand here once to say just a few words. I'll not take much of your time. I'll say just a few words, which will carry you forward. Now here I just read it that you said it here that from the first day of nerves being nervous to the last day of tears. So what kind of tears is it today? That each and every one of you, the outgoing student, knows better. It's the tears maybe feeling sad leaving the university, feeling sad that you will be disconnected from your classmates, your university mates, from your faculty. But at the same time, it is also tears, should be the tears of joy that you had achieved something during the years that you had spent with the university. The tears of joy that from now on you have climbed one more step on your ladder of success. It is the ladder of success keeps on. You can see it, there are many, many steps, and you need to climb one at a time. And at this point of time, you have climbed one of the steps. But remember, I just leave you with a few words, listening to whatever had been said earlier. They're very important words. They are words of wisdom also, even from the president of the student council, your faculty, from the masters of the ceremony. Now, but in all of these, I wanted to add only the three E's, which I feel would be very important, not only for the outgoing students, even for the present and for each and every one of us. And the three E's are, to me, find out. Number one, effectiveness. Please always be effective in whatever you do. Be it as a student, be it in your new venture place of work. Ensure effectiveness. Do not get derailed from it. Because unless you ensure effectiveness, you will not succeed. You will not be able to move forward. And with effectiveness, please combine it with ethics. Don't forget ethics of life. This is very, very important. The president has said that, yes, the university had tried to give you a holistic education. And one of them is human values, the ethical values of life. And please do not forget the second E, that is to live with good ethics of life. And next, with that come also etiquette. We tend to forget etiquette in our day-to-day life. And it is this that sometimes gives you a good impression or a bad impression. Etiquette of life is very important. Be it at a very small gathering or a big gathering. Be it in meeting someone younger to you or the elderly. Because that impression is a lasting impression. With these three E's, effectiveness, ethics, as well as etiquette, combine it also with a passion. Whatever you do, have a passion for it. I've seen the three achievers here. They are academically inclined, but they have a passion to be someone. She once is the Miss Teen, a passion. You have your own passion. Do not deny it. Do not ignore it. That passion will drive you to success. Just as the three achievers you have seen, though they are studying, but they did not give up their passion. So, please combine the three E's with passion, and definitely you will succeed in life. With these words, I wish each and every one, the outgoing student, the very best when you take the step forward into the next journey, be it to continue or pursue further studies, or taking up a job, or starting life as an entrepreneur. Once again, thank you. God bless each and every one.
Angni kusak ajakku, angni ajak ungani ko mesoka. Ang habagak tin ke im kajai benriu ke im.
Kaladon kata Meghalaya Language Act na do usnam arajasan. Kuman penjisano kan. Ba men hakani ka country tari jong benaya yong ke bambut na tau April arhaja April. Na ka jingpin bana officially ba lasim ya kaktian kasih ke jongi bat kom juru kita ki garu bat kaktian garu ko lasim ya ka kom kataka official language.
Ngasngungu masang Burom ya kan kasih atas society batru kumju ya ka acik literary society Kiba submit ya ka memorandum sha the government departmentally ngakot meeting mana haka bengyong di study nadu ka law department nadu ka arts culture naki department iba pair ngia discuss ngaong tongin talk ngin recommend sa cabinet ba ngin repeal no ya katuga ak barin bat ngin warna no daka ni kaway ko mamay daka bengyong Meghalaya Languages Act Mdeshu Meghalaya Language Act.
This will ensure administrative inclusivity and language preservation. It will also ensure that communication is more efficient in government offices and other institutions.
Kan direktur nama baca kecil nama nama oleh kawan yang menyewa atau interview aku baca kecil nama nama dia mungkin cara biar letak cakap yang
Nilai kuat syaba kaktian jungai kan yo no ke jingi fu bokura bar khantam kan rong ka khanet khupra nri kalong bade umau jam baningkong menta ban suong no ba chief minister jungi ula kubur ban ong ban kaktian kasi bar kaktian garo kan long no kata kaktian bokura jong gejela